Hello! Today we are in Pocitelj in Bosnia and Herzegovina. Peeing and pooing me. What a luxurious cat. We are actually here over a couple of days because we didn't realize how much there was to see.
2 days exploration.
More time, yeah. Hey guys! We are in Pocitelj and Siobhan is delighted to go to a castle.
She loves castles.
Look at this road. Oh.
Definitely a good idea to park right there.
Yeah.
So I feel like today we're not going to go out there.
Okay, yeah.
Because Siobhan's just...
Yeah, she's exhausted.
That's a big climb.
He was serious, by the way. I can see why there's nowhere to stay here. There really was nowhere to stay in Pocitelj. Maybe during high season, there are a couple of guest houses, but right now, pretty much everything is closed. Not to worry, the town of Capljina is a decent size, reasonably priced, and just a 5-minute drive away. Short enough to take a taxi if you're relying on transportation. Also, just 20 minutes away is Trebinje Waterfalls, also known as Bosnia and Herzegovina's Little Niagara.
There's parking.
You can't tell from the highway, but there is a little bit of parking here. Not sure I would try it in high season because, as you saw, the road in and out is teeny tiny, and it's a little bit haywire getting onto the highway because the town is on a corner. This is so cute.
That's so cute.
I love the windows too.
Used to trade seafood from Atlantis.
I honestly think this is up there for one of the most picturesque places that we've been to, and as you can see, it was very, very quiet. Which is always my personal favorite. It says that the mosque was built in 1563.
What was this mosque then?
450 some years?
That's crazy. Are we going up here? Oops, all the big stairs.
1563.
What?
1563, this mosque. Okay, you need to leave that here.
Do I need to?
Yes. Just put it down. Should we go up the mystery steps?
I feel like this requires like 2 days exploration. Yeah.
More time, yeah.
Yeah. I really thought it was like, oh, just a little stroll through the whole town.
I know.
But it's like a whole experience.
I also thought that this would be like a 1 hour stop.
Yes.
I thought we would drive in, walk up and down the 2 streets, and that'd be it.
I know, but yeah, no, it's going to take several hours.
There's a lot to see.
Oh my gosh.
Look at this. Wasn't expecting that. Look at all this.
This is so beautiful.
It's so nice.
This is one of the most picturesque towns I've ever been to.
I know.
It's just so perfect.
It's so pretty.
Like everything is overgrown just a little bit,
Mm-hmm.
but there's still people living here.
Yeah.
It's just, wow. Crazy. It's like even more magical feeling than that one that we went in the middle of Monsanto, which was crazy awesome. But this is like, come up here.
But when you're looking like that, it makes my head stop. And I can't have it like that, so please don't
This is a hidden gem. Holy. How is this not famous?
I think it's reasonably famous. That's why it was on my list, but obviously not like Western Europe famous.
This is dangerous.
Mom, I'm finding pieces of pottery.
Don't.
this room so cool?
It is estimated that this town may have been built around 1383, but the first recorded mention was in 1444. In 1471, the city fell to the Ottomans and remained under their control until the empire began to crumble in 1878.
So look carefully on the dark and shiny stuff. Rusty stuff, like coins.
Oh,
Over
like bat time almost.
Get eaten by bats.
No, look, I like bats.
No, in a creepy building like this.
Oh.
Bats.
Bats.
From here.
Bats. And the bats. Oh, did you say bats?
Very disturbing.
Hey, how do you not disturb bats?
What was it?
Bat. I'm out of here, kids. Stop. You're just gonna make them fly right into me.
Bats in
Boys.
There's animals flying around everywhere.
Bats.
And a bat.
Of course. A sleeping bat. What is with us and bats?
You've been glitching now. Just
What do you think, Siobhan?
think of what? But still, did any of you see any rusty coins? They're round and tiny.
Hmm.
Oh, that's just making pissing me off.
Siobhan.
Hello. It is day 2 in Pocitelj because we didn't see everything yesterday. Bye. Or don't. We decided to start our day with a coffee and something to eat in Pocitelj because we just thought it would be better ambience in Capljina. This cafe was really cute, but not sure that I recommend it. For some reason, the person working here seemed greatly inconvenienced by us. We had to ask for a menu, and he never actually came back to take our order, so we just paid for our coffees and left. There aren't many options here for food in the off-season and no grocery stores, so definitely pack some snacks if you're coming for the whole day. Luckily, we had done that.
I jump from here to here.
Shit, and I said no too.
Definitely not.
That's the jump.
Didn't even try.
Yesterday when we visited, we explored only the left side of the town before it got dark. So today we're going to visit the part of the castle on the right side and see what lies in between. That's so cool, hey?
Well, I'm feeling like, well, I have to take a picture of this. I have to take a picture of that.
Pocitelj looks so little on the map, and from the road, and even from inside the town. But it is so deceptive. There is lots to see.
There's obviously a style of door you have to have.
Oh yeah, because all the
Because
same.
they all have those knobs on each one, and it's like wooden doors. All of them are wooden doors,
Yeah.
like this.
Probably because it's like UNESCO.
One,
We're almost up to the top.
no.
Yeah. We have not seen another sign for the castle since the bottom where it said 270 meters. So just so you know, if you come here, you're going the right way, even if you don't know it.
Incredible. One of the most beautiful, prettiest, cutest towns ever. Ever.
We made it up to the other side of the castle. So this is on the one hill. That's where we went yesterday, and now we're on the opposite side of the town today. Interesting.
Is this even a castle?
You can go in the spooky basement.
I'm going in.
Oh my goodness.
Students? Oh, wow.
What?
This place is huge.
Is it? Oh, it's interesting.
Come.
It's like not finished. It's like they just gave up on the construction of it.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
It's so cool.
Oh, wow. Maybe, I feel like they're planning a museum, maybe. Oh my god, yeah.
What's that?
People have been like
Party.
peeing and pooing, maybe?
Okay.
Maybe animals. But yes.
Right there.
Yeah. I didn't look in the bathroom though. I can't imagine it's nice. Yes, take a look.
Ew.
This is so strange. You can see from the bottom of the hill that there's this roof up here. So we just expected that this side of the castle was like maybe paid and like maintained and stuff. And it's just left. Oh wow.
Can we walk in there?
Yeah, you could actually.
Could you try?
I don't know if you want to.
Just put one foot there.
Oh no, there is water on the top. I don't know why I thought that the water really looks like it's below the grate until you step in it. It's interesting because this would have been so expensive. A lot of this is like new restoration. The floor is actually really nice. They have all the glass doors in here.
But why is this place so mysterious?
Oh, Daddy's on the roof.
You could walk on the roof?
I guess so. It's just so weird. It just was never finished. I don't really want to know what's going on in there.
I'll never see you again. I'll never see you again.
Well, this was meant to be uber touristy I'm sure in the summer they get like a lot of tourists, but they've completely abandoned the
project.
The just concept and the upkeep and whatever the heck is down below has never been finished. But this isn't like a new build either.
No, it's not.
So it just got abandoned.
I did ask on Facebook and then on Reddit if anybody knew why the reconstruction was never finished, but I got only cryptic answers. You probably couldn't even come up here before though, right? Because there would have been no floor here.
That's true. Probably was just like
Yeah. It was on purpose or not, but the shape of this stuff mimics the castle over there. Like this is like the tower, and then the stairs go up in the same curvature as the wall. I feel like it is probably on purpose.
interesting.
When it gets to the houses, it turns into this square. There was no other reason to put the tower, like the pyramid there.
I didn't have to.
Yeah. And the stairs didn't have to be that shape.
No.
Jason thinks I'm giving them too much credit.
I mean, the thing is, it could be on purpose.
Why would a man be there? Why would a man be there?
I feel like this was expensive.
I mean, it definitely was very expensive.
Very expensive.
Oh, look, it's the drum. I missed it.
This is one of those times where you're like, what is our life? Because we're just sitting here on a random weekday eating our little Jaffa cakes in this castle.
I call it the castle picnic.
Yes, having a picnic
At the castle.
with our elf.
But she doesn't have a hat.
And there's not a soul around. We haven't seen anybody since we got here besides the guy who works at the cafe, and there was someone chopping some wood or something.
That was about it.
Cool spot?
Yeah.
Cheers. Seems like marshmallow or something.
You can free to eat it. Hey, what did I say about finishing it?
Oh, I spotted a person. See, there's a person there. We're gonna go down now and see if we can go on another road that will go into the middle of town. The one trail goes up to the side of the castle and the other trail goes up to this side of the castle. So we think one of the other roads will go through the town, hopefully. These are talking about the revitalization project. It says December 2014. I don't know if you can see that. It says current condition here. And then that's their plan in 2014. So they did it since 2014. Went over budget, perhaps? It's been long enough that this whole shrub has grown. Because you can't even really go up these stairs.
I know.
I can't go up these stairs.
No, there's thorns.
My God.
I just wanted to see if we can explore all the roads. Yeah, these are little burrs because I just found a bunch on my coat sleeve. So it's like they like get stuck to you when you see.
Don't try to get it stuck.
Oh no, they're all over.
See what it does?
So apparently this is where the road that goes up behind the town goes. I was not expecting that.
Guys, look. Check this out.
Think it's an ancient chair.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
How ancient was their bottle caps?
This is reminding me of Venice quite a bit. Not because of what it looks like, but because everywhere you go, it's just so beautiful. There's something new to take a picture of. Bad news, Schwan.
What?
You can't bring your dog or your gun, and you have to stop smoking while you're here.
I don't have a gun.
Well, at least you have to stop smoking.
I do not smoke.
Oh, fine. You have to leave your dog in the car.
I don't even have a dog.
Oh, okay. Yeah, but it doesn't say no elves, so I think you're okay.
I think it also then use pets too.
You think?
Yeah.
Jason said there was a view up here. Oh. I wonder how you get in there.
What did you find?
Wow. Oh, so sweet.
Look at this viewpoint. Look at this view.
Oh wow, look at that view. before the sun sets. We need that tower over there, the cone roof, to match this tower.
Oh yeah.
It's like the same angle, I think, too, and everything.
Why would a man be there?
Look at you, you fluffy thing. Little claws and she's needing help.
And that's the perfect name for this cat. Spots. Spot. How about Spotted? Her name's the cat Spotted.
See, like, this is the problem with my camera here.
I'm second that I'm getting the money shot. I did not think we'd be here for like both days for hours.
Oh, hello, baby kitty. Oh, oh.
That's the end of this one, guys. We shut it down.
Subscribe. Goodbye.